Canva is one of the free and open source graphic tool out there that a lot of people are using it to make a stunning design for their businesses and for their social media uh, management. So a lot of people are taking advantage of this free resource in order to make a stunning design. But it's a pay. It's a premium. This thing there's a premium. So in the free version of the Canva, there is some limited graphic tools that you can have access to them. So you need the premium one. So, but it's not everyone that can afford to pay the premium version of the Canva. So that's why I make this video where I'm going to show you how you can get the premium version of Canva for free. But it's just for a limited time. It's just for 30 days. It's going to expire in 17 September 2024. So as soon as I drop this video, make sure you watch the video and also share with your friends, your designers friends that can use it. So you just start using it today. You can see that's the one I'm using now. As you can see my dashboard here, that's the one I'm using. You can see here. So I'm using the Canva Premium. I have access to all premium design here. Any design that's in Canva here, I have access to it. I can use it in all my design. So that's the benefit of having the premium account of the Canva. So let me show you, like for example, you can see all these design that are here, you have access to them. You can see this one is showing premium, right? If I click on this one, I have access to all the features in this premium. You can just go directly to customize it. You can see it's a premium, but I have access to customize it without paying a dime. So that's the advantage of having the premium account, which is in this video I'm going to show you how you can get it for free. I'm going to drop the link. Okay, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video where you're going to use it. So after when I drop the link in the description, you're just going to click on the link. The link is going to take you to your dashboard. So that's where how we can get the link is from the team, the Canva team. So you can benefit from it. So we normally share it in our Telegram group where we normally share the Canva Pro 30 days valid, 30 days in September 2024. So this link, you can see it, premium group. We normally drop Canva Premium, like every month we normally drop it. So what you will do, I will drop the link in the comment in the description of this video. You are just going to click on the link and it's going to take you directly to the premium Canva. So guys, thank you for watching this video, but please don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that you can encourage me to do more videos like this. And if you guys subscribe on this video, I will be dropping Canva for 30 days for every month, because we normally drop every month for a premium Canva. So when you like this video and you comment and you also subscribe, I will be dropping it like every month. So thank you guys. Please don't forget to like the video and comment. So thank you and see you next time. Bye.